Hello everyone, I am Bala Jha from Dehradun. I have attended the Gut Reset workshop organized by the Naturopathy Healing System, and I'm glad to tell you that it has been extremely beneficial for me. It has helped me in changing my eating habits to have a healthy gut. The most important thing I learned is that on a regular basis, you should know what to eat, when to eat, and how much to eat in order to have a good digestion. Since I'm a working lady and I leave the house very early in the morning, I need to have a clear stomach regularly. The Gut Reset program helped me to set a routine and also helped me to be fresh early morning every day, which in turn improves my efficiency and keeps me happy too. So therefore, I would recommend all my family and my friends to join this program and to learn such good things from Sujata ma'am and Amit sir, which will be a life-changing experience for them. So thank you ma'am, thank you sir for guiding me through this program, and I will remember whatever you teach us all my life and try to imbibe it in my life for a healthy life. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir.